Welcome to Physical Science, and this week we're going to get up to speed with motion. You see what I did there? So we all know what motion is, but have you ever tried to describe motion itself? Like if you were to say, hey, that car is moving, and somebody said, how do you know? What does moving mean? Well, it's in motion. Well, what do you mean by motion? How can you tell? And you say, well, it's when an object moves from one spot to another spot. It's not in the same place anymore. And you say, and they say, but how do you know that it's in a different spot? How can you describe that motion? Well, we're going to learn exactly how to scientifically describe motion. Not as easy as it sounds, but once you hear how, you'll be like, oh, well, yeah, that makes total sense. So it's these things that you already know, but we're going to bring them out to the forefront. They're things that you kind of inherently know, but you don't know that you know. You know what I mean? I don't know. It's one of those things. Anyhow, I think you're going to like this lesson. In the next couple lessons, we have some activities for this week. Hopefully you can do the activities on your own, but if not, I'm going to provide videos with the data that you will need to complete the activity worksheet on your own without actually doing the activity. But you miss out on the fun if you don't do the activity. So if you can, try your best to do the activity on your own. But there are some things that you'll need in order to do it that are a little tricky to get if you don't have something laying around the house already. So it won't be a big deal if you don't do it on your own. But I like when my students like to get their hands on things and do it themselves. So if you do it on your own, definitely take some pictures and upload them with your assignments so that I can see what you did. That'll be awesome. Maybe give you some bonus points at the end of the marking period for those. But at any rate, let's get started, shall we?